Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. To get today's video started off, I want to put this thing back into summer mode. It's been pretty warm the last few days, or probably like the last 2 weeks or so here in Spokane, like mid 40s, almost 50 degrees. So I think winter's officially over. The only thing I'm worried about with putting like the nice wheels back on is they have yet to sweep all the gravel and sand off the streets. So hopefully you don't chip them up too bad. But I am sick of how this thing looks. I want it to look good again. So first things first, let's throw back on the front lip, the side skirts, and the wheels onto the Evo 8. I know the car doesn't look that bad right now, but I think it looks so much better, especially after seeing it with all of these parts on it. And then going back to a stock look, it just wasn't that enjoyable anymore. So that's just an eBay polyurethane front lip, as well as the side skirts. I'll have both of those linked down below. The wheels are raised Gremlite 57 Extreme, and I know you probably want to know the specs, so they're 18 by 9.5 plus 22 with a 245/35 18-inch tire. There we go, guys. That is a million times better looking. It's crazy what just like some skirts, a lip, and wheels does for a car. What do you guys think? It was only in winter mode for like maybe a month, but all the snow is slowly but surely melting away. The roads are clear, so I think we should be good to go. There's one more thing I've been wanting to do with this car for a while now, and that is a carbon fiber Voltex rear diffuser. But before we go and pull that out of storage, check out these center caps that one of these subscribers made for me. These are for the OEM Evo 8 wheels. I was missing one, and he realized that and DM'd me. He's like, hey, don't worry about buying one. I'm gonna make you a full set of 4 Vossen center caps for the OEM Evo 8 wheels. And he also made me a set for the 57 Extremes. So one of these days when I get bored of the raised ones, that the blue ones that are on there, we can swap out to the black Vossen ones, and that will look super sick on the raised. So huge shout out to you, bro. I really appreciate you sending those over. Should look pretty damn good on the car. I just got the center caps installed. Look at how sick that is. They look OEM, but if you look at it up close, you're like, oh shit, that ain't a Mitsubishi logo. That is super dope. Let's go grab this diffuser. We need to fix it up a little bit, and then we can get it installed on the car. Here she is, guys. The back half of it is carbon, front half is fiberglass, and I'm kind of glad it is because as you can see, there's some damage right there that I want to try and fix up and repair. I have a fiberglass repair kit. So I've never done anything quite like that. Let's try to get this thing fixed up. It'll make it a little bit more sturdy, and then we can get it installed onto the Evo 8. It should look really nice. We already have a lip, we already have skirts. We might as well get the diffuser on as well. So we just made our first little repairs. I have no clue if we are doing this right. I've never once touched any sort of fiberglass repair in the past except for the hood, but that was completely different. I didn't have to use the cloth at all. It was just like an epoxy I used. So on this, using the cloth and the resin and all that, it's something pretty new. So I'm gonna start off with a little area, see if we can figure it out. I'm gonna see how long it takes to dry, and then we can try to like patch up. We gotta patch up all of this and then go through, form it, and then I want to squirt some black paint on it. I'm glad the back half of this thing is not carbon fiber like the front half. It's kind of weird how they merged that right there, but if this is carbon, I would have no clue on where to even start. So far we have a bunch of new fiberglass laid down in there. To build this back edge, I laid up some cardboard. I hope the resin doesn't get stuck to this cardboard, but I don't really know what else to do. So let's give that a shot. I'm gonna layer up some fiberglass in here, resin it in there, and let it cure. Alright, so my cardboard trick actually worked. As you can see right here, it's all kind of formed how it should. It ain't gonna look perfect, that's for sure, but it's gonna work. So I have some more fiberglass, some more epoxy, and we're gonna glass all this in there, get it nice and thick, and then we can run through, sand it smooth. I gotta still fill in these cracks right here, sand it smooth, paint it, and throw it on the Evo, and it should look dope. And I wanna put this on one of these on my Evo 10 as well, because remember we tried it on yours and it fit?
Yeah.
We set this up on Bobby's car, and it's about the proper width. So I think you could run one of these on Evo 10, which would be sick. But yeah, let's mix this bitch up. You want to do this? I'll give you $50 to drink it.
Do you want me to die?
You won't die. You'll just be epoxied.
I'm good.
A little extra hardener to make it harden faster. I send it for the boys. The shit gets hard as hell, huh? I should just start making wide body kits. I know how to fiberglass now. Oh wow, my brush. I think my brush is screwed. We are screwed.
Should have washed it off.
I know. I'll just have to be a bum.
This looks like a mess.
It is. I'm probably not even doing this shit right. There's gonna be like professionals down in the comment section below, like, what the hell are you doing, kid? But it's okay, you know that?
Watch it, you put it on the car and just the big chunk of what you just did clunks off.
You know, I wouldn't doubt it. I was supposed to sand all the paint off, but I didn't feel like it.
Oh.
Damn, my epoxy's in there.
How is the glass?
How's this glass?
Looks like fiber.
It is fiber, Hoss.
The glass is not a fiber.
You know what? You just have to contact the real professionals about that one.
Oh.
Alright, diffuser is completely finished. It's all dry, good to go. Definitely not the best work in the world, but being my first fiberglass job, I'm happy with it. You're not gonna be able to see it at all. I just wanted to fix it so it's structurally sound. So we should be good to go. I'm gonna get it all nice looking and then paint it real quick, paint the fiberglass area, and then we can get onto the Evo 8. All right, we got the car back in the shop. Let's throw it on the diffuser, get it all mounted up, and see how it looks. I'm pretty sure they have two versions, one that mounts really close to the bumper and then one that hangs down further. I'm pretty sure this is the one that hangs down a little bit further. I'll show you guys kind of what I mean when we get it all mounted up. We just got the diffuser all lined up on the car. It's gonna look so freaking amazing when we get this thing mounted up. It looks really, really nice. Check it out, boys. That's gonna be aggressive. Super, super clean, but aggressive. We gotta drill a few holes in the bumper, and then we can get it bolted up, and we're done. Diffuser is on. It looks so damn good. This is definitely the only thing that the body of this car is really missing. We already had the lip, we already had the skirts, we already had the wheels, the yellow speed coilovers. We had so many nice parts on this car, except for nothing in the back. We had the taillights and the bumper, but we didn't have anything on the bottom. That looks so good. Now the hard part, trying to get it off the ramps without ripping off the diffuser. That's the only thing I don't like about these Voltex diffusers. I ran a Voltex rep on my STI, and they hang down like 3 to 4 inches, so you really gotta be careful driving the car and like getting off ramps, going into entrances and whatnot. But let's give it a shot. Hopefully we can get off the ramps without ripping our new diffuser off. Or used. New to me diffuser. Holy smokes, guys. That is definitely what this car needs. Look at that. I can't wait to show you tomorrow, like out in the sun. All right, I'll see you guys in the morning. It's always a good view to wake up to. Bright and early, you walk out the apartment, and the first thing you see is the Evo 8. So here's how she looks in the daylight, guys. I freaking love it. Let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think of the new diffuser. You already saw everything else. We already had all these other parts on a while ago, but we had to put them all back on. It flows so much better now. That is sick. All right, that is gonna be it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. As always, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the new setup. I think it looks sick. I know some of you may not like the style, but I think it looks absolutely amazing. Peace out. I'll see you guys in the next vlog.